Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing pineapple salmon in our limited edition 3-quart wok. We're going to start with a cold pan, placing our pineapple rings on. Next up, we're going to place 500 grams of fresh salmon side on top, adding salt and pepper. We're going to put this on medium heat to start warming up the wok. Now onto our food processor, we're going to start by grating our ginger on cone 1 and the same thing for our garlic. Now it's time to make the topping. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander. We're going to drizzle some sesame seeds and some chili flakes. Add 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, pineapple juice, we use what was left over in the can, and ground black pepper. Give this a good mix. For a full list of the ingredients and the recipe, check the description below. We're just going to add this topping evenly on top of our salmon. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more cooking. We'll cook this for 25 minutes on medium heat. We're going to place our rack on top and add some lemon slices to serve. And look at that, you're ready to go. It looks delicious. Add us on Facebook at Neolife Leads, and to get your limited edition 3-quart wok, send us a message or comment down below.